There's a couple different avenues that's happening with Industry 4.0. There's a huge push for digital simulation to where what's going on in the factory floor is also being simulated digitally. So there's two productions going on, one in simulation, one in real. That's a whole new environment for all of us. Robot coordinators, you're looking at user-friendly and interactive robots that are out there right now. Those type of things and those type of changes are just adding a variety of careers, most of which we don't have a title for. The simple answer would be, think of your IT department moving into manufacturing, making sure all those networks are secure, making sure all those networks are communicating with each other, make sure those sensors are communicating with all the pieces and parts of production.